In this video, I'm going to be going over how I basically fix up an axe. So it's quite common here in the UK for you to go on to somewhere like flea markets and find axes such as this one. So most of them that you will find have got issues with the handles being loose basically. So I did get this some time ago and I did clean the blade up and it was nice and shiny. It's since got rust on it and whatever else. I didn't really, you know, finish doing what I should have done. So I am planning a trip to Europe and I am going to be taking some tools with us. And I think an axe is going to be really handy, but with time constraints, with, you know, work commitments and such, I haven't really got a great deal of time. So I would have liked to have made a new handle. As it is, the handle, it's actually not too bad. It probably looks a lot worse than it is. The top is a little bit beat up, but I think it should be fine. I haven't really, you know, I haven't really got any worries per se that it's going to fail. So what I am actually going to do, I'm going to give this a little carve. I'm going to re-wedge it and I'm going to sharpen it and very quickly make a, I believe it's called a Siberian sheath. So first up, I'm just going to get rid of some of the rust. Nice, quick, easy. I'm just going to use my drill with a wire brush in it. This will make short work of it. So now I'm just going to give it a quick little sand, nothing special. That's as far as I'm going to go with the blade or the head at the moment. I'm going to work on the handle now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually just seat it and see where it goes, and I'm going to remove some of the material around where it stops, just so that I can get the head further down. So you can see here when I've been hitting it and the head's been making its way down the handle, you can see it's actually been removing a little bit of material here. So there's a bit of indentation down here as well and a little bit here. So basically I'm going to take this off now and I'm going to basically use my knife and remove a little bit of material. So I have removed a little bit of material. It's not a great deal of material, obviously for various reasons. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of sandpaper in the middle of this and just try to remove any dirt or grime that may be in there. That'll prevent the glue from grabbing it when I put the wedge in. Just before I set the head back onto the handle, I'm actually just going to quickly go over the handle, just take some of the patina away. You know, you might want to leave the patina on, you know, but I'm going to take it off and put some new finish on it. I'm going to seat this now, hopefully for the last time. Hopefully this handle holds up well and I shouldn't have any issues with it, hopefully. So there you can see I'm actually starting to remove a little bit of material at the bottom, so it's not going to go much further. So what I am going to do, and what I think what was done on the last axe, is that it had a wedge in the back and it also had a wedge in the front, and obviously one in the center. So I may do the back one first because that was a bit more predominant on the handle, and we'll see how the front one is. Maybe I don't need to put anything in the front, maybe the back will push it through. That's what I'm kind of hoping, push it forward, the handle forward into the head, and obviously finish off with the center one. So before I go any further, I am just going to trim the top of the handle. So I am going to leave this a little bit proud. You have to be really careful that you don't damage the teeth. I'm going to apply a little bit of glue. So the good thing about this is that the edge is in pretty good condition, so I don't have to do any file work, or at least I'm not going to do any file work. So I'm just going to take an axe puck straight to it, and I think that should probably do the job, I think. I am just going to trim the very tip of the handle. I am going to make a little sheath for this because it is going to be going in a toolbox and I don't want the edge getting damaged. I'm just going to pull a line down with my mortise gauge and, you know, It's not entirely 100% centered, but I just want this to be nice and easy, nice and quick. Now I'm going to add a little hole, and that's just so I can apply some string through it, just to tie this into place when the axe isn't being used. Before I put the string in, I'm actually just going to put some finish on this and on the axe. And this is Alfie Shine, and just because I've got a couple of tubs of it lying around now, to be honest, I never really use it, so, you know, just to get it used up. It does smell actually gorgeous as well, by the way. And I'm actually going to put some on the axe as well, so this is going to help with rust and stuff, because this, since I got it, has rusted up twice now, and I don't particularly want that to happen again, so hopefully this is going to help a little bit.